Welcome crafters. If you're watching this video, it means that you're self-onboarding onto Kraaft, which is already amazing news. For this video, we're gonna talk about the 5 basic features that Kraaft offers: the chat, the geolocation, the files, the reports, and the planning. So for the first feature, we have the chat. So for this feature, I'm gonna go to my phone. So right off the bat, this should look pretty similar to WhatsApp or iMessage or any chat-based platform that you've used. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a new conversation by hitting this big blue button on the bottom, and I'm gonna name it 222 Broadway. So the idea is that you create one conversation per project. So here I'm gonna add the address of my construction site, 222 Broadway. And I confirm location. Now it asks me who should be in this conversation. So let's say Adam is in this project, James is in this project, and I confirm. So we've just created our conversation. For the rest of the features of the chat, let's go out to the field.
So here we are on the field. We're going to do 2 things on Kraaft. As you can see, we've just finished our scaffolding here for the day. So I'm going to send that picture into the group chat so everybody knows what we've done, how tall it is, using the measurement tool there in the bottom right, label it 14 feet, press the check, and then there is no need to send a message with it because I'm going to send that into the chat, and instead I'm going to do a voice memo saying, "Hi guys, we've just finished the scaffolding here today, the painters are ready to come in, and if it's wet, if I've got gloves on, or if it's too loud to hear a voice note, this is perfect as the message automatically transcribes within seconds for you there."
So now we're back in the office and I can see everything that was just sent in the field, including the geolocation of the picture that was just sent. So if I click this icon on the bottom left, I can see exactly where that picture was taken, including the address. In case the guys need to go, they can easily find it. You can also share a view of all of your construction projects with your clients, and you can track them with a color code. So now let's move on to the third feature. So for the third feature, we have the files. In construction, we're always drowning in paperwork, whether it be plans, permits, budgets, you name it. And carrying all that to the construction site is just not gonna happen. So with Kraaft, you can easily import a document from your device and access it through your phone. But it also works both ways. You can also drag and drop a picture into a folder. Plus, our AI folders will sort things for you. So snap a picture of a pressure test and boom, it'll automatically sort it into the right folder. So now let's move to the fourth feature. So for the fourth feature, we have the reports. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a task report. All I have to do is press the plus button. And so I'm gonna select today's date, who's responsible, I'm responsible, the geolocation, I'm gonna confirm, and I'm just gonna drag and drop a picture into the report. So what's really cool about the reports is that you can actually download them to PDF, Word, Excel, or anything that you use. So in about 2 seconds, it's gonna download it. So in the report, you can actually insert your company's logo, and then in the report, you can see the pictures along with when and where they were taken. So now let's go out to the field so I can show you how to fill out a report by voice.
So we're back out here in the field and it's the end of the day and I need to fill out a daily report for the people in the office. I don't want to type this all out, so instead I'm going to fill it by voice. So as you can see here, we just press the fill it by voice button, press the microphone. Today we put up the scaffolding and the plan for tomorrow is to get Neville and Sabrina in the morning to clean it all, and then Gonzalo and Mohammed in the afternoon to do the paintwork. There was no issues with the material and the weather was cloudy for most of the afternoon. And as you can see, that filled in all of the information very, very efficiently and quickly. And then I can sign it off with a signature like that. And that will be sent off to the lads in the office, back to you in the office.
So now we're back in the office for the 5th and final feature, which is the planning. So the planning is all the way on the left-hand side in the menu. So we click planning, and here I can assign projects to each one of my team members. So there's 2 things that's really cool about the planning. The first one is the site view. So here I can see exactly how many people are assigned to a specific project on any given day. The second thing that's really cool is that if I make any changes in the resources, I can click notify and everyone in the workspace gets notified of the change. So even for the guys on the field, they can take a look at their planning and see exactly where they're supposed to be every single day. And all the changes that you make in the computer will automatically be made on the mobile. So what we covered today was the chat, the geolocation, the files, the reports, and the planning. The 5 basic features of Kraaft. Thanks so much for watching.